How to add audio to video in CapCut. Firstly, open CapCut on your device. After opening CapCut, you will land to the main interface. Click on your projects. Now you can select Create to import new clips, or you can select existing projects. At the very bottom, you will see the audio option. Click on that. If you click on the sounds option, then you will land to the music section. Here you can select any music or even search for new musics. To listen, simply click on the music. To add the music, click on the plus icon. Now it will get added to your timeline. You can drag and adjust the position of your music. You can also cut out the unnecessary part by using split and delete. There are also other features available. Go to the audio option and select the option Sound Effects. Inside Sound Effects, you can search for sound effects. Any popular sound effects, for example gunshot, shocked, or crickets. Simply search for them and click on the plus icon to add it to your timeline. Again, drag it to set the position. If you want to do a voiceover, then that's also available. There's a record option, click on that. Now either click or tap and hold to record your voice. Once recorded, click on the tick icon to confirm. That's all for today. Thank you.